Exercise 34. A sporting goods store gave the two coupons above or below to each customer entering the store during a weekend sale. Coupon A, it's a 15 cut of a total purchase of 40 or more, and coupon B, it's 30% of a total purchase of any amount. Marcus purchased items that had a total price of $180 and presented coupon A with his purchase. How much did Marcus pay for his purchase? Okay, so he had a total of $180. He brought coupon A, so this means that he had a 15 cut of his total purchase. So 180 minus 15, obviously it's 165, so the right answer for that would have been D.